Greenland, a land of breathtaking landscapes and unique culture. Let's explore the top 5 tourist places to visit in this extraordinary destination. First on our list is Ilulissat Icefjord, a UNESCO World Heritage Site known for its stunning icebergs. Next up, we have Nuuk, the capital city of Greenland, offering a mix of modern amenities and historic charm. Don't miss the town of Qaqortoq, known for its colorful buildings and rich history dating back to the 18th century. For nature lovers, a visit to Disco Island is a must, with its dramatic cliffs, hot springs, and birdwatching opportunities. And finally, make your way to the East Greenland National Park, the world's largest national park where you can experience true wilderness. These are just a few of the amazing places Greenland has to offer for travelers seeking adventure and natural beauty. Whether you're exploring glaciers, charming towns, or vast national parks, Greenland is sure to leave you in awe. Pack your bags and get ready to embark on a journey to one of the world's most captivating destinations. From icy landscapes to vibrant communities, Greenland has something for every type of traveler. Book your trip and discover the magic of Greenland for yourself. Thanks for watching and God bless you all.